problem with this. We gotta find out why there's clicking in the rear, and then it skips, like it doesn't engage in the rear, almost like it's stripped. But I pulled it apart a little while ago, and it wasn't stripped, which is what is confusing me. So I'm thinking I broke a pin in the inside of the diff or something. So here we go. Just started to get these off, and I hate these big screws because I have to use this Allen wrench. And I hate this Allen wrench. I like the Power Hobby ones much better. Same with the screw gun. The screw gun is even much better, but I don't have a wrench this size yet, so I gotta go get one of these. By the way, I also got some of these Power Hobby speed tips and the handle, so you can see they pop out of the handle, and you just attach the handle to them. That's really nice for tightening the last little bit. So get back to you when I got this whole thing off. Okay, so I just got the diff out a little bit ago. The gear itself doesn't seem to be stripped. So I pulled the whole thing apart, and here's the damage. So all of these pieces here, on this piece here, all are ripped, broken, destroyed somewhat, or in some way. Just grab this, I can touch it because I don't want to get this all in my hand. All these gears are stripped out. And then these 3 pieces of plastic were the diff case, as you can see here. I just push them up. So you see all these broke apart, kind of like a banana, and all went and opened up. And then that's basically why I didn't have any rear wheel drive, because the whole diff, as it opened up, all these gears didn't touch anymore, which by the way stripped them out. And then also, as it moved apart, none of them were touching, then killing the rear drive. So luckily I saved this gear. I have all the components cleaned that are good, so I'm going to keep these. I just ordered a diff last night. I'm now filming this half of the video the next morning. So I got to get probably I'm going to leave this one with parts, and then if I break something on the new one, I then take these parts and put them into the new one as they break. So now my project is kind of waiting for my stuff to get here. Talking to a friend about doing custom rear axles, and I think that'll be a thing. So if you need axles for your 8S, let me know. I can get you some. It might be a week or a month. I don't know. It's kind of a matter of time now. So if you need one, let me know. Probably, as I stated in the beginning of this video, I thought I would, but I didn't realize the extent of the damage. So I'm now waiting for parts. So I'm probably going to publish this video, and then next weekend there will almost definitely be a video on this car, if not before then. But yeah, I mean, the thing's a tank. Excited to get this car running again. It's got so much power in here. I mean, it's almost stupid fast. So thanks for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.